The Discovery Agent empowers business users to monitor changing data trends over time through scrollable feeds. With AI-assisted anomaly and outlier detection, it simplifies the process of uncovering key patterns in data, enabling users to quickly identify and act on significant changes that impact the organization. First, the application developer creates insight triggers. Open the sheet and select Insight Triggers from the Assets panel. Select Insight Group, then provide a name for the group. Optionally, add a description. Click Add Insight Trigger to configure a new trigger. Give it a name and select a measure. The measure is the metric that determines insights. In the Value Going Up Is setting, select Positive. In the Time dimension, select Order Date. Time dimension is a field in your application that tracks how the measure changes over time. As the Breakdown dimension, select Region. You can also choose values to filter the dimension if needed. Breakdown dimensions are additional calculations to be performed. If you add a breakdown dimension, the same calculations on the data as a whole, in other words, all categories, will still be performed, in addition to the calculations for the breakdown dimension values. When finished, set the status of the insight trigger to active. Insight triggers are evaluated whenever the data changes. In this example, the data is reloaded manually from the data load editor. Business users can access their feed from the Qlik Cloud Activity Center to review insights and take data-driven actions. Your feed is unique to you and the applications you can access. It contains data and analysis related to insight triggers. These insights appear without the user needing to build any analysis manually. Insights are refreshed with your data and can be further explored using Qlik Answers. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.